Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable UTM branding for campaign tracking graphics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable UTM branding for your campaign tracking graphics, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel located at the bottom left corner. In the admin section, choose the property you want to track from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Tracking Info under the Property column. Then, select Campaigns from the submenu that appears. Here, you will find an option to create a new campaign. Enter a name for your campaign in the provided field. Ensure to include relevant keywords that reflect your branding strategy. Next, you will need to generate UTM parameters. Use a URL builder tool like Google's Campaign URL Builder for this step. Input your website URL in the designated area. Then, fill in the required fields for source, medium, and campaign name. For source, specify where the traffic will come from, like social media or email. For medium, identify the type of traffic, such as CPC or banner. Now, provide a unique campaign name to differentiate it from others. Once you've filled in all parameters, generate the URL. Copy this newly generated URL. You can now use this URL in your campaign graphics. When users click on the link, the UTM parameters will help track performance in Google Analytics. To confirm it works, navigate back to your Google Analytics account. Look under the Acquisition section and select Campaigns. You should see your new campaign listed with relevant tracking data. That's how to enable UTM branding for your campaign tracking graphics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.